Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm down here at the usual spot where I normally come. I spend most of my time when I'm doing fishing. Something just kind of porpoise there. I don't know if it was a gar or one of those plecos. Kind of random. Sorry about that. But so I'm here to do some fishing. We had a temperature drop last night, and there's a slight wind blowing, and this spot right here seems to produce pretty good when there's a breeze going. I don't know why, but the fish tend to hunker down back here. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of phone footage and GoPro footage and compile a video and get it for you guys. Let's see what happens. Here comes a swing and a miss. I was able to put the bait right back in front of that fish, and this time I get him. Got him. Hooked up. Hell yeah, finally. Feels like a good fish. It's getting smaller. It's a pounder. It took a little longer to unhook the fish because he had got the hook a little further down than I wanted him to, but it worked out in the end. Not a bad fish. All right, so now I'm just gonna pond hop, see if we can find a little hole where there's some fish hiding. Let's do it. A bunch of gar hang out in this corner, but today we didn't have any takers. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm back at the apartment. I'm done fishing, done for the day. It wasn't a bad day. I mean, I got to at least go out and do a little bit of fishing. It's beautiful out. I mean, it's not the perfect fishing weather, but you know, it's good to go fishing regardless. I did catch one fish where I kind of knew I was gonna catch a fish. There's a spot that whenever the wind's blowing, it does pretty good. There's a bunch of laydowns, and you know, the fish are offered a little bit of refuge, and they're able to ambush their prey and stuff like that. And I went over there, caught one solid fish on a Yum Dinger stick bait, which I mean that's a no-brainer. But then I decided to cross the road, did a little bit of pond hopping, and there really wasn't much going on across the road there. Didn't catch anything, but like I said, it was nice to get out of the house, avoid cabin fever, do a little bit of fishing, and go home and put a video together for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you guys soon, and tight lines.